Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto channel. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to buy any crypto on Bybit. First of all, you need to log into your Bybit account. First of all, you need to hover over buy crypto on the top menu and go one click buy section right here. Now you need to choose the payment methods. There are a lot of payment methods. First of all, you need to choose the currency you are going to use. So scroll this down, choose your favorite currency, for example, USD. Then you need to choose the crypto you're receiving. I suggest you to buy USDT because with USDT, you can buy any other cryptocurrencies, guys. So you need to have USDT on your balance. And the important part, guys, you need to choose the payment method. There are a lot of payment methods. For example, you can use the bank card, your Visa or MasterCard. Also, there are third-party payment providers. I suggest you to use the bank card. So, for example, let's choose this one. Now, let's enter the amount of USD we are going to send to buy USDT, for example, 1000 USD. And I will remind you that there are some fees on Bybit. So, for 1 USDT, we are paying 1.05 USD. So, for 1000 USD, we will receive only 947 USDT on our balance. You need to fill all of this information, click continue and finalize the payment. Once you will buy USDT, then you can check your USDT balance, go to your assets on the top right menu and go to your funding account. Right here, you will check your USDT balance. And now everything is ready to buy any cryptocurrencies. Alright guys, once you have USDT on your balance, then you can buy any of the cryptocurrencies. To buy cryptos very easily, you need to hover over the trade on the top menu and go to the convert page. We have USDT on our balance. We need to put USDT on the top, and downside, we need to select the crypto we are buying. So for example, we are buying Pepe, this popular meme coin. Let's enter Pepe in the search, choose Pepe, and you can see the transaction fees, it's 0. Now you need to enter the amount of USDT you're going to pay to buy Pepe. For example, I will use all of my USDT, which is 18.37. And for this amount of USDT, I will receive this amount of Pepe coins on my balance. So you need to click get a quote and you need to confirm the transaction, guys. The fees will be only 0. So once you will buy Pepe, for example, you can check your balance. To check your balance, go to your assets, go to your funding account, and right here, you will see your cryptocurrency which you just bought. So that's all I wanted to show you in this short video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.